Let's take a look now at the ST segment editing functions on the CB series analysis software. We're going to choose our patient and select. If a patient's been analyzed already, we go to the ST tab on the second menu. Various ST statistical charts are shown in the upper left-hand part of the window, including ST level graph and table, ST slope graph and table, as well as the ST episode and integral tables. Clicking on this white line here enables the user to change the settings for ST elevation points, the baseline, and depression. So for instance, clicking on the white line here and sliding it back and forth will allow me to drop, let's say, change the baseline to this point here, and then click on baseline to change. And you'll see the red landmark arrow move in conjunction with that. This is one way that ST landmarks can be edited in the program, aside from in the early initial setup features. So clicking on the white line in the graph enables the user to change the elevation, baseline, and depression. I'm going to set it back to where we had it. These points here tell you exactly where they're set currently. Click on any part of the graph to see the associated time periods with those ST changes. Up top here tells you how many minutes during the study the patient spent at that level of ST segment change. So for instance, at this level here, the patient spent over 100 minutes at an ST elevation of roughly 1 millimeter. By clicking on any area here, will show on the side all the time periods that the patient had spent at that level of ST change. Double clicking on it allows the user to actually input a new value if one were known, and to save it. Moving the white line to certain points on the graph also allows the user to delete all values at, above, or below the cursor if that's desired. So the line could be moved to a certain level, and then deleting all the values above the cursor, on the cursor, or below the cursor can also be executed. The graph on the bottom allows the user to see the ECG and slope trends. If this checkbox on the right is clicked, the ECG becomes visible to the user. For that specific time period. So I could choose a time period, and you'll see as I click on the box, the ECG changes in conjunction with that time period. If I uncheck the box and I go back, I can see the ST level and slope trend, and I can change it throughout the test, and then look at the ECG also during that time period. The ST level can be edited using the ST edit and input new value. This function in the bottom right also allows the user to edit any part of the test. Each time changes are made, statistics and time list will be updated. Clicking the Rescan ST button will return the window to the original values. The ST slope can be edited in the same fashion. The ST episode tab would show the user if there were specific ST elevation or depression events, the order, start time, duration, the lead, the max, ST, and the slope will all be listed in this table here. The user can then edit them, delete them, or save changes. They can be ordered by time or by channel. On the bottom right of the main window, the user can view the ECG as shown before or save a strip at any time. Lastly, the integral table also spells out exactly in what channel and what time period various ST segment changes occurred for review. In the print section, ST reports are available for printing.